Hey everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living. I'm Michelle and welcome to our channel. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for checking us out. We really appreciate you coming by. We are participating in a collaboration and it's with Jenny Goff. Thank you for inviting us, Jenny. Everybody's recipes are going to be presented on December 10th. Unfortunately, we did have some technical difficulties yesterday, so we're putting it out on the 11th. Thanks for your patience. So this collaboration is the Holiday Cookie Recipe Exchange, and there are a lot of collaborators and all of their recipes just look amazing. For ours, we made oatmeal scotches, and what it is really oatmeal cookies with butterscotch chips in them. We got the recipe off of the back of the Nestle Toll House butterscotch chips. Okay, so it's on the back of this, and what we ended up doing is adding some pecans to it. We chopped them up finely and we put them in there, and it really makes them even more decadent. So if you're looking for a little bit of a new twist on an old cookie, give these a shot. Don't forget to watch all of the other collaborators and enjoy their recipes because it's really going to inspire you. I know we've got like 5 or 6 new cookie recipes easily that we're going to try. So enjoy this collaboration, enjoy your holidays, and thanks again to Jenny at Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen. Thanks again for visiting. Check it out. Oh, they're chewy and delicious. Happy holidays, everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate you stopping by. See you later, everybody. Be kind.